This is a newly refurbished property. It is very modern and comfortable. Has everything you would need in an apartment. Hosts were contactable during the stay and supplied information about facilities and the area. They were very kind and let us leave our bags in the property after checkout.
Checking in was an issue as the number we had to call to get into the apartment did not answer their phone and we were left standing outside the property for around 30 minutes.
Beds were really comfy. Decor. Clean. Roomy. Hangers and wardrobe space. Home comforts, for example, coat stand and hall.
The double bed in the second bedroom was far too small and not quite enough comfy seating for 6/7 guests, but it wasn't a massive issue.
The apartment was much nicer than advertised. Check-in was quick and easy.
As it is on a busy road, the traffic is quite loud even during the night. A light sleeper would need earplugs.